she's a little bit scared of the takeoff. So we're looking at the responses of nesting hens or nesting female ducks to us doing a survey over top of them. The idea being that eventually a lot of folks want to adopt the thermal technique to look for nests instead of using the traditional chain drag method. And so we want to know, well, if we do that, what kind of behavioral responses could we get? And might it be less invasive or at least no more invasive than doing chain drag methods for how the birds respond? Okay, are you ready, Kaylee?
No.
No? All right, here we go, Kaylee. So the aircraft is right here, headed for a flight path that we've created. There are 2 duck nests underneath this flight, and we have cameras set at that, so we'll be able to look at how the birds behave as we do a survey flying over them. Our jobs allow for us to bring Kaylee out here in terms of doing field work, but it also really helps to have partners like Ducks Unlimited that are welcoming and family friendly in that sense. So part of bringing a toddler out here, or a baby, because she's been out here since she was really about 3 or 4 months old, consistently is having a helpful partner in all of that.
This is just a big adventure for her. She's, this is, we want her to think that these kind of things are normal, and we want to raise her from day one with a very strong conservation ethic, a very strong land ethic. And so I don't know a better way to do that than having her out here.
The partnership with DU that UND has is absolutely vital. I learned very early on that one of the best ways I could impact conservation is through my students. And DU is facilitating that with our internship program, and now we're expanding to having graduate students in the team. And that means students get skills about how to do conservation from an organization that has many arms to it. Not just research, but there's policy, there's communication, there's actual conservation programs. There's every aspect of conservation with one organization, and they get the chance to see how that actually works. That's hard to find, and that's hard to provide in any classroom that I have. So this partnership means everything for that. One of the things that Kaylin Kimmick and I have been working on is in a group fostering women in waterfowl. And that means, that people seeing what this looks like, for a female field biologist, a female academic, who does this, it's juggling an aircraft in one hand and a toddler in the other. It's understanding how to make that happen. It's having good teams from graduate students to the husband, all of that partnership. And so, that's important. got one more pass, Becky.
Okay.
Come back.